It's about farming. That's where the money is. Okay, hello guys. My name is Gerald Msara, a small scale pig producer based in Seke. Nangofunga kuti maybe zvinobatsira one or two guys. A small video about why pig farming. I know kuti there are a lot of farmers in Zimbabwe no mumwe ari kudecide kuita horticulture, vamwe vanorima fodya, vamwe vari into broilers, vamwe vari mumbudzi nesheep. So inini I'm going to answer the question why pig farming. I'm going to give you my reasons why I believe that any young person or my youth should be involved in pig production, especially those who are into entrepreneurship. Pig farming is your way to go. It's actually your ticket away from poverty. So I was doing a little bit of research and I discovered that in Zimbabwe between 2020 and 2021 we were able to produce approximately 10 metric tons per year. But a very interesting thing is that in the very same period we have only managed to export 200 tons. We look at the number of registered farmers in Zimbabwe. Small scale producers range between 5,000 to 5,500 very registered. That is the information that is there in the market. So what it means is munhu wese anowana paanoita sei paanokwana mu production cycle iyoyo. Then we are looking at the demand. You know, Zimbabwe actually I believe we have attained sort of a middle income country status. Was takona lifestyle ya chinja. So what it means is demand for pork is high. Tani vanhu futi vakuconsider pork as a relish inokwanisa kushandika nayo pavanhu vari diet sensitive. So I'm going to answer the question why pigs. Point number one to take note of is high turnover. You know, pig production in itself is a shorter payback period. Nguruwe kubva painozvarwa kusvika patinoti takuipa mukono it's between 6 to 8 months. Then from there, after 1 year or so, wakutoripa ma results, you can actually sell. Tikada kukombea nemombe kuti izonzi yakutengeseka for meat. Zvine zvatora makore handizoziva hangu kuti mangani. Same applies kumbudzi, the same thing applies kune vanorima wai. So that alone it allows you kuti weweka unowanawo motivation ukatengesawo early. Then we have to look at the parity. Nguruwe pagore inofana kukupa an average of 32 porkers that you sell to the market. So what it means is pagore 1 unevana 32 warutengesa kumarket. Ukakombea nedzimwe mhuka dzese dzinorimwa nevanhu, mbudzi inobereka 2, mombe inobereka 1. It's very rare kuti mombe inoitawo matwins, but nguruwe ka 1 inokuzvarira an average of 16 piglets. The record in Zimbabwe ndeye yakaita 31. Those are extreme cases, but normally 13 to 16 not the number of piglets that unowana kana nguruwe yapekata seyo ikazvara. So at the end of the year nguruwe 1 mai 1 vanokupo an average of 32 vana vamunoendesa kumarket. So it shows that there is room for growth and the chances of expansion are very high. Kunyangwe iwewe ukatanga zvakunzi watanga nenguruwe 1, at the end of the year unenge watopfuura nguruwe 40, because nguruwe by nature inobereka kairi pagore. Yabereka kairi pagore inozopedza gore iroro iine zamu. So ndo patinozoti nguruwe inoita parity ye 2.5 per year. Those factors alone are very attractive to to any individual who is looking to adopt agriculture as a business or pig production as a business. Then another factor yandinofungawo zvangu inini kuti why the young people should be involved in pig production inyaya is attainment of reasonable tonnage. Zvandongoreva inshona ndezvekuti zvoni it's easy to reach 1 ton of meat kana uchirima nguruwe. Why? Because the acceptable average weight yekuendesa kumarket it's 50 kg. Then tinoitawo ma-outliers yekuti sometimes we sell at 90 kgs, sometimes we sell at 70 kgs, zvichingorenja from there. So by that 20 nguruwe dzinokupa 1 ton. If you look at the current market price, it's about $3 per kg. What it means is one nguruwe ukaitengesawo zvakanaka ichirema 50 kg, you can get at least a minimum of $150 if I'm not mistaken. So ukatengesa 10, that's 1.5. Ukatengesa 20, that's 3,000. So you see kuti my chances of growing canori pig production are very high. Then another factor that we need to look at, it relates to my government policies or external interventions that are acting as motivating tools. Mu Zimbabwe tikatasa kuti tine presidential scheme, pane vakatombopuwa nguruwe, pane vakapuwa magoats. That means the government is in support of that. Then mukatasa kuti recently this year in 2022, the president actually made it clear kuti the target is to raise 500 new farmers, young farmers every year. So my chances of kukura guys are aripo and they are real. Then we look at my interventions. I told mangoma organizations like the European Union, EU yakauya neyavanoti Zimbabwe agricultural growth program. What is ZAPG or something? That program iyoyo yakatoiswa at least $40 million zakaiswa mu program iyoyo to support my young farmers vari kuda kupinda into goat rearing and pig production. Saka inini wose munhu zvake anofarira zvenguruwe ndo patiri kubatira ipapo. Ene mukatoenda paresearch yenyu mukaita research on internet either pa YouTube or mukafollow Action Aid pa Twitter and stuff, vatori ma programs yayo ari kutoitwa ari kutosupporta ma farmers. So the target yavo ndeyekuti Zimbabwe should produce 25,000 tons of pork per year. Isusu right now, like I said earlier, to produce 10,000 tons, which means 10 metric tons that we produce. Then EU is coming and saying, no, you need to produce 25,000 metric tons. What it means is, takukwanisa kuproduce for local consumption, and we can also target exportation. So my interventions iyayo aripo ku attract a young person kuti apinde what into farming. Then kana tikutaura nyaya pig production, it gives you room to retire early. Kana tikuti ku retire early asura kuti iwe wakuswera pakuwakarara, no, wane flexibility yekuti iwe wakushandawo neprogram yawanda sei yaunoda. And by nature that's another motivating factor yekuti munhu apinde mu pig production, because kunyangwe une tight schedule unokwanisa kutoshanda zvakanaka naka zvisina kana problem, because hadzisi mombe dzodaswera dzichifuta. So another question inowanzobvunzwa nevanhu ndeyekuti alright, tazvinzwa zvawataura chikomana, but ndotanga nengani? What is required? The minimum budget that I can work off kana ndichida kuitawo startup project yezvinhu izvozvo yakamira sei? I think, to be honest, I need to do a little bit of research kuti ndikupe information yakakwana, but my next video ichange focus on that. What sort of budget can you set aside to start a meaningful pig farm? So guys, keep following me. Ndinenge chikupewa ma updates pa my social media pages pangu, ndinenge post to my nuggets here and there. So guys, thank you very much.